Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal and the basic materials. This sets constraints that keep production focused. Once the KPI is clear, CTR or CPA, choose sizes used by your publisher and export logo at high resolution. Make 3 short headlines and 1 clear CTA. These will drive layout decisions. Decide format early. Static for speed, GIF for short animation, HTML5 for engagement and tracking. Make sure assets match brand colors and safe zones so you avoid rework during handoff. Now you design with hierarchy and load in mind. Use a simple grid so headline, image, and CTA are instantly readable. Choose web-safe fonts and contrast for fast comprehension. When animating, limit frames and duration to preserve clarity and file size. Target under 150 KB unless the platform allows more. Once built, wire the click-through URL plus UTM parameters for attribution, and embed pixels or event hooks so you can measure impressions, clicks, and conversions. Test locally to iterate. Finish by testing and deploying with intent. You should preview each size on mobile and desktop, verify clicks and pixel fires, and check load performance. Once validated, upload to your ad server or DSP, set targeting, flight dates, bids, and frequency caps, then monitor initial performance for anomalies. If something breaks, inspect asset paths, MIME types, cross-origin settings, and file size limits. Also confirm creative policy compliance with the publisher. Fix the root cause, load, and recheck before ramping spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.